flexibility routine is requiring the wall, and that what makes it very powerful yet very simple, because you're using the walls of your house as an extra support and balance for your spine, and this way you're going to see that your range of motion gonna be bigger. You will achieving a very nice and very quick results if you keep doing it. We're going to start with the realigning. So the legs here is shoulder distance width, the knee is right in the same direction as a big toe, and we're going to create this little squats by sending our knees forward, hips going right beyond the heels. So you're sitting on a tiny little chair and coming back, melting down. This is a warm-up and a realigning exercise for your legs, as well the one that is really beneficial for your feet, which is aging very fast if we're not using our feet, if we're being in our shoes. So you're going down. One more time. Stay here, hold, go as deep as you can, and now put your legs a little bit wider than shoulder distance. We're gonna create the same motion, and as you see, my movements are very smooth, so there is no rigid corners, because I'm training my body to flow, to be soft, to be strong and limber. Let go, and one more time. Nice. Staying in the same position, grab the opposite elbows. Inhale. On the exhale, start to round down. Here, relax fully and just swing down. Swing, swing, relax your shoulders. Create a nice smooth motion left to right. Do not hold your neck and head. The head here is creating an extra weight for you to relax and elongate this area, so just let it go. Another detail, as I mentioned in an introduction video, rotate your hips up to the ceiling. So it's happy hips, happy glutes. Stretch up here, move, move, move. Take a deep inhale, exhale, lose up more. Stretch for the tummy, stretch for the back of the legs. And here, place your hands down. Always, if you want to bring floor closer to you, use the blocks. So if you need to push yourself up, make sure your blocks are right next to you. We're going to bend our knees and we're going to slowly roll up. The next delicious back bend. What you're going to do is to connect your toes together, place your hands on your wall, and lean forward so your chest touches the wall. And in this position, start sliding down till you feel that this is good. This is about right for today. And then you're creating the slight pulses, pulsing your armpits into the wall and your chest. And rotating up. So here you're sassing your hips up as well. You're creating this curve. And what this practice does, it opens up the most stagnant part of our spine, which is upper back. We're always hyperextending our lower back, but this one is training your upper back to be limber and healthy. So once again, connect your shoulders, connect your armpits, connect your chest, and start sliding down, keeping your legs straight. No matter where you are, it's wonderful. There is no competition. You're just trying to get better every day for yourself. And slowly release down. In our case, releasing up. Now we're going to use the wall to do a side stretches. So press one hand into the wall. Inhale another hand up as you would do a mountain pose, and reach over. And also bring the wall closer to you. Bend both elbows. Inhale bend, exhale, push away. In this one, as you see, I keep my knees together, feet hugging the ground, pushing away, extending this side of the body, elongating. The body becomes a couple inches longer right after this practice if you really engaging. And bring yourself back, couple times, push away, extend, 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 and release. Same in other direction. So just remember where you stand. Left hand goes on the wall, inhale up, exhale, bring the wall closer to you, bend your elbows, exhale, push away. One more time, inhale, exhale, push away. And one last time, inhale and exhale, push away. Return yourself back to center. Always use the wall to give you an extra force when you need to come out of the movement. It's incredible how it works. The next stretch, we're going to be staying very close to the wall. So I would love you to pay attention for your glutes touching the wall and for your heels being quite close to the wall and your shoulders. Then now liberate your right leg and find your balance on the left leg. Wall is right here to support you. Then start lifting this leg up to 90-degree angle. Slide your hand to find your knee, then bring another hand and connect them together. So this is your hook. You're lifting up. You would love to engage and lift up even higher. Extend your neck and bring this knee closer using a tiny pulses. Tiny pulses, just like that. Elongating your lower back while you do that. And stay. Hold and release. As you see, nothing is moving here. Now when I'm replacing the weight, I create slight motion. Lift up your knee, stomach down, hips in the same position. Slide your left hand, find your right hand together and hold. So if this is hard, which might be in some cases, or sometimes body may feel stiffer than usual. So what I would suggest is to hold your leg just by itself and use a rope. So you can use a rope to bring your knee closer. Any rope would work here. And bring your knee up. Release. Now we're going to do dynamic stretch, the same thing. Just find yourself comfortable near the wall. Bring one leg up and release. Another leg up. You see how your stomach lifts right immediately when you do that. The belly engages a lot here. And release. Now put your feet couple steps closer. So if I would lift up my hips, I would be under the angle here. Now we're going to work on the toes, on our feet, which is a very important part of our body. Like George Pilates always was saying, that if the feet getting old, it means we're all getting old. So we gotta train our feet. And here we're just lifting our heels up. We're sitting in a tiny little chair, pressing the glutes into the wall and just lifting the heels. Just holding for a second, then drop and lift again. Drop and lift again. Drop and lift again. And one more. Take as many breaks as you need and bring yourself back to this position. Tap, tap, and stand up.